We start with two cells, a male cell and a female cell. And these cells join together in this bioelectrical explosion of life awesomeness. And the two cells form into 4 and 4-8 and 8-16 and 16-32. And it starts to take shape like a raspberry or a blackberry. And as the scientists continue to watch the development, the next thing they see is a canal come down the middle. And at the top of that canal, they see a bump form. And as they continue to watch, they see these strands or these filaments start to come down. And from one side, they go to the other side of the body, and from this side down to the other side of the body. And what we're seeing take shape here is the nerve system. And at the end of these nerves, they see these little nerve buds start to form. And as they continue to watch, from those buds, we see the formation of the organs. So the heart forms, and the lungs form. And of course, the liver forms, and the stomach, and the intestines. All of the organs take shape here. And when the organs are done developing, as they continue to watch, we start to see the formation of the bones. The first bone to form is the skull. And then we start to see the bones of the spine, the vertebrae, start to develop. The vertebrae are stacked on top of each other. Picture donuts stacked on top of each other with a hole through the middle where the spinal cord can come through. And then, of course, the ribs develop and come around to protect all of the organs. And in between these vertebrae are nerves coming out. And the scientists were able to attach a wire to one of these nerves. The other side they attached to a light bulb. And the electrical power from the brain coming down and out that nerve is actually able to light the light bulb. But the nerves are very sensitive. And they saw that if they apply a little bit of pressure, even the weight of a nickel on that nerve, this bulb would go out 60%. And if they continue to apply pressure, the entire bulb would go out. This is why we need to make sure those vertebrae are flush, so there's no interference from the brain to the rest of the body. And this can happen from everyday normal activities. Just think of all the things that happen to us. The falls, the sports you play, any car crashes or injuries, sitting all day. And how much of the power do you want from your brain getting down to the rest of the body? Well, of course, we want 100% of the power. And we want it going where? Well, to 100% of the body. And for how long? Well, of course, we want it 100% of the time. And we do that with our chiropractic adjustments, where the entire focus is on making sure these vertebrae are flush, correcting the spinal misalignments, to make sure we have full brain power getting down to organs, tissues, glands, and cells. That's why you're here. That's why everyone you know should be getting chiropractic adjustments. That is how chiropractic works.